Hello everyone. Today I introduce about financing for independent insurance in this agency. Uh, we specialize in independent insurance agency financing for both large and small acquisition. Whether you want to acquire another agency, buy out one or multiple partners, or refinance existing debt, we will work with you to determine the best structure of financing. A question throughout Wisconsin, Iowa, and Minnesota, each situation is unique. So, getting to each other and understanding your goals is the first step. The numbers matter, but banking and insurance are still people, businesses. We start with the relationship. Whether you want to buy out one or multiple partners, we will work with you to determine the best structure for financing. Not only the most you consider the right amount of the buyout. It is imperative to ensure a financial package that makes sense and is affordable to your agency. We can help you evaluate whether it makes sense to references your agency tab or consolidate tab. It will not only simplify your balance sheet, but it would reduce your monthly payment. Hiring a new producers doesn't always come with instantaneous positive cash flow. It might take 2 to 3 years for the new producer to generate result to help your cash flow during these early lean years. SFB can provide a producer loan to help fund your initial cash outlay. It can be challenging for an independent insurance again to keep up with the changes in technology, especially dealing with numerous carriers. SFB can help you upgrade etc. If it can be challenging for an independent insurance agent to keep up with changes in technology, especially dealing with numerous carriers, SFB can help you upgrade your system with a technology loan to bridge the gap between your initial investment and the efficiency gains realized down the road. You may have an existing real estate loan that has a higher than market rate or payment that are too high. Refinancing could improve both cash flow and net income. In addition, you may want to consider a line of credit to use in your business for purchases that are unique to your agency. Hiring a new producer doesn't always come with instantaneous positive cash flow. It might take 2 to 3 years for the new producer to generate results to help the cash flow during these early lean years. SFB can provide a procedure to producer loan to help fund for your initial cash outlay. Whether you want to buy out one or multiple partner, we will work with you to determine the best structure for financing. Not only must you consider the right amount of the buyout, it is imperative to structure a financing package that makes sense and is affordable to your agency. A question throughout each situation is unique. To get to know each other and understanding your goals in the first step, the numbers matter, but banking and insurance are still people businesses. We start with the relationship. We specialize in independent insurance agency financing for both large and small acquisition. Whether you want to acquire another agency, but out one or multiple partner or refinance existing debt, we will work with you to determine the best structure of financing. And GSEEs really exist to ensure that constant functioning of the mortgage market through time, in good time and bad time. To promote stability like that, they need diverse sources of capital, including the insurance and reinsurance market. Because the housing and mortgage markets play such an outsized role in the US economy, there have been a number of very important reforms and innovation to come out of the great financial crisis that give rise to our conversation here today. Um GSE stand for Government Sponsored Enterprise, which we will use to refer to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Collectively, both were established pursuant to separate acts of Congress, which created specific correct charters that govern the scope of their activities. To the core business model of the GSEs is the purchase mortgage loan on single-family home from bank on non-bank leaders, which create liquidity and allow those leaders to originate new mortgages. Today, the GSEs fund about 60% of all the mortgages in the US markets. Thank you.